install it. And then after, to make sure if you have installed your Git, or to make sure if your Git is already in your local machine, type Git and see if you have a Git bash, and then open a Git bash. Then type, let's zoom, then type Git dash dash version, dash version. As you see, I have a Git version for 2.43. Yeah, you see. If you see your Git version, you have already installed it in your local machine. So if you have already installed our Git, we are going to configure our email and our username, our code, and so our code. So let's carry on. So to configure it, let's say git config global, and then user dot name, and then your name. Let me say Isaiecode. Hit enter, and then git config dash dash global, and the user dot email. So sorry. This is my email because for me I have already configured it, but you have to type git config global, then user dot email, then enter your email. Let me say Isaiecode gmail.com. Hit enter. When I say when I say git config user dot name, you see the username is Isaiecode. When I say git config user dot email, also this is my email. Sure.